think I talked on one of the previous videos about mobile cranes, getting your license for your trucks, and then obviously getting a crane handler's license or a crane operator's license, whatever you want to call it. So in front we've got a prime example, Atlas Cranes, one of their units, going through the Horsley past the Park Farms. Just another thing to consider. I'm not sure what it'd be like to drive, actually. Probably quite difficult. Compared to most things, similar size. Left-hand drive vehicle. It says if you look on the right-hand side of the body, a little bit wider as well. So definitely not the easiest choice of things to drive, but it's where the fun is. Got his orange beacons on. Loads more driving stuff on the channel, guys, so have a look through, find what you need, and if it's not there, let me know how I can help you. See you soon.